Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. We've got some, we've tried a few times before, but this one's going to be special. We have got a bag of goodies sent to us by Stephanie, Joe and their son Niall. So I'm here with Scooter Sue. So Sue, let's have a look at what goodies we've got. It is a rather heavy bag as well, so gonna be interesting. Oh, look at them guys, a box of cream eggs. You get 5 cream eggs. I believe it is 2 classic, 2 white and 2 caramel. Perfect to start the video off with. Easter coming up, so might be some Easter goodies. Oh wow, a massive bag of mini eggs, guys. That is huge. 308 grams, contains approximately 8 mini bags of mini eggs. Can't wait to have them later. Making me hungry. Something for Scooter Sue and Mike. Jamaican cake, is it? Jamaican ginger cake. A bar of Cadbury's marvellous creations for me as well.
I think it's
One
going
of
to
my
need to go
favourite
in
bars.
the fridge.
Yeah, probably will need to go into the fridge. It's been up today and it's a wee bit malted. Some Cadbury's mini rolls as well, what we used to really love in the UK. Still coming. Not just 1, but 2 packs of Birds custard. We do love when we get some goodies. A bag of Skittles. Do you like Skittles? Yeah, Sue likes Skittles. Oh, even more. Bag of Jelly Babies for Scooter Sue. She's happy. Oh, and another bag of Jelly Babies. Maynards by Betty Bassett. Oh, what the hell? A mugshot chicken and sweet corn noodle pack. 2 of them. Takes 5 minutes to do apparently. Some more mugshot noodle packs. This one's pasta roast chicken. I might try some of that later maybe. Like do a bowl of it or something. Just a try. Oh, even more. We've got tangy sweet and sour noodles. How nice. Even more. Creamy cheese pasta. Even more. We've got mac and cheese. Oh, we've been treated good. Creamy cheese pasta again. And last but not least, the main attraction. Good old jar of Marmite. You either love it or you hate it, guys. Now, what I'm going to do is try show you everything, like the tables full of goodies. So, what's left to say, Sue?
Thank you very much,
Yeah.
Stephanie, Joe and Niall Hardy.
Yeah, thanks a lot, guys. You are the best. Mad Mike says thanks as well. We've got a ton of goodies here. Much appreciated as well. And to those of you who think we are begging and scrounging, we aren't, guys. Like, people send us this sort of stuff out the kindness of their hearts, and well, we honestly appreciate it. It really does make us happy. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Stay tuned for some videos of St. Patrick's Day here in Benidorm. Hope you enjoy.